Hello, welcome back. Let's create this smooth watermark in After Effects where there will be a plus symbol that will be rotated, and then afterwards a line will reveal a text just like this. It will consist of so many linear wipes. Click on New Composition, 1080p 60 fps, 15 seconds, click on OK. Click on the type tool. For example, you want to do a watermark that reads created by tongue tips, and then centerize this tongue tips text. Right click, transform, center anchor point. Right click, transform, center in view. This will be the one with the fill. So we can increase the stroke thickness just like so. We're going to make two of them. Copy and paste this. And then for this, remove the fill by clicking on this one. No. And then click on none. No fill color so that there's no fill. Maybe increase the outline thickness to full. Alright, let's do the transition. So at 1 second, there will be a smooth linear wipe for the fill. No, for the text with fill with the color. Make it disappear at first, and then go to Effects and Presets, type linear, and then drag the linear wipe into the text. Turn off the stopwatch. So the plus symbol will go from here to there. So change the transition completion to 100% and the wipe angle to -90 degrees. And then click on the stopwatch. And then let's say if you want the text to be fully revealed at 2 seconds. And then drag the slider so that it's at 0%. And then at 2.5 seconds, this will appear. So go under it, effects, and then click on the diamond to make a keyframe. Drag linear wipe to this outline version. We have to turn off the stopwatch, and then you turn it on again. And then click on the stopwatch. No. Alright, let's say if you want a 1 second kind of transition. Go to 3.5 seconds, and then drag it to 0%. And then for the one with the fill, increase it to 100, just like this. We have to change the wipe angle. Click here, and then from this, change it to 90 degrees. So that it looks like this. Ooh, fancy. Now we can add the plus symbol. Actually, we need to increase the feather for this one. From here. Turn on the stopwatch, and then at this point, increase the feather number so that it will look like this pretty much. Oh, fancy. We can add the plus symbol now. Click on the type tool. Type the plus symbol just like this. You can increase the size. Change the font into regular so that it's thin, just like this. And then right click, transform, center anchor point. Right click, transform, center in view, just like this. We get to rotate it from 0 seconds, for example. And then it will go from this position. Afterwards, you increase it. Click on the stopwatch for scale. And then change the scale amount to 0%, and then at 1 second, change it to 100. And then turn on the stopwatch for position, and then at 2 seconds, do it like this. Drag it to the right. Add some easy ease. So it looks like this pretty much. Let's rotate this. Same goes for the scale. Right click, assistant, easy ease. And then you simply do some rotation. Like a one-time rotation, for example. Just like this. And then you right click on it, assistant, easy ease. At 2 seconds, you want to decrease the scale. From 100 back to 0 at 3 seconds. Now let's make a line. that will be the barrier between the outline version and the text with the fill. Let's make a line. Click on the rectangle tool and then close them all, and then create a line from here. Decrease the stroke and then insert the fill by clicking on solid color just like this. Make it white just like so. Make it a bit thicker just like this. And then head over to transform. Make it slightly... no, that's enough. Position it so that it covers the text just like this, and then at 2 seconds where the transition happens, simply drag it like this. And then click on the stopwatch for position. At 3 seconds, no, 4 seconds, hold on, yeah. 2.5 seconds, sorry, where the transition starts happening. And then at 3.5, drag it so that it looks like this. Fancy. Or maybe we have to put some easy ease as well here. Right click on the final keyframe for the linear wipe. And then do the same, just like this. Make sure that the vertical bar or the rectangle is positioned right between the outline version of the text and the text with fill. That's all good. Let's decrease the size of the rectangle now. Go to transform, and then from here we can decrease the size. Click on the stopwatch for scale, turn off the chain, and then at 4 seconds, 4.5, you decrease the size to 0. Or maybe at 5 seconds. Just like this. And then right click on it, assistant, easy ease. And then you can start increasing the size from 2 seconds. Hold on. 2.5. And then from 2 seconds, you decrease the size. And then it grows just like this. Fancy. And now you can add a text that reads created by above this text, and then you can even add some glow and some shadows, and then your watermark is all set. Ooh, fancy. The transition in the watermark looks really smooth. That's how you can create this smooth watermark in After Effects. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!